Okay. So how much does double occupy? 8 bytes. Right. Let's now, let me share my Eclipse and see. How do we create a new program? Inside the folder. Kindly mute whoever, some noise is coming. So class. Okay. So what shall we give the name? Something like data types variables. Okay. And then do you want public static void main? Yes. Okay. Someone, Bindukala, can you please mute if possible? Some noise is coming from your end. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. So this is how we create a class, right? Now, can any one of you help me with how do you write the program to print an integer, a double, a boolean, okay, and a character?
Int A is equal to.
Very good. Int A equal to?
Like numbers we can type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3. Okay. And then someone else tell me, how can we write double? Variable name?
Double B is equal.
B is equal to
1.2345.
1 point.
2245. Okay. Yes. Next one, character. Someone help me, please. How to write? What is the variable name and how to represent it?
Char CH is equal to.
CH.
Is equal to.
CH is fine, but if you don't mind, can you give me another name?
Like
Anything.
D. Like we can, yeah, D, ma'am.
Is equal to? How do I write it?
Quotes. Like alphabet, ma'am. A.
Alphabet we can write. Okay. I'm also writing another variable. If I want another character, someone give me another variable name and character, please. Variable name, simple, any name. Okay. Mini is equal to single quote. I'm giving hash. Is it a character? Right? Okay. Similarly, Boolean. Variable name, please. How do we write it? Yes.
C is equal to.
Pardon? Variable name?
E is equal to false.
Okay. So false should be in double quotes or single quotes or what? Nothing. Okay.
Nothing.
Okay. Now I want to print them all. System.out. Println. Println. Variables names, Radhaman. Okay. So how can we write them? How do we write them? See, these programs and all you have to execute in your computer and come back. Whatever is taught in the class. Okay. Try to write rough notes. Okay. B is there. D is there. I gave some mini is there. And what is this Boolean? E. There is another type of declaration, okay, which I was telling you, string. String, something. str you can give words or give me some name for the string. Variable name, please.
Apple.
అర్థం కాలేదు.
Apple.
Okay. Is equal to
In double quotes,
ah,
you can write Java.
we have to give double quotes. Yeah, what is the text?
Java.
Is red in color.
But string is not in red in color because of
Hmm.
it is not a keyword. It is a keyword, right now. String is a keyword.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. But the above ones are all keywords. String is a keyword. Okay. Okay, we will see more about strings in the coming class. Initially, for us, only the primitive variables, but as the declaration has come, we are declaring this also. Okay, so let me declare one more. Okay, what is the variable? You said someone to that. Okay, so shall we see how it executes? I can do it as, okay. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is B? Double. And then character. Shall we also include float?
Yes.
Some number. Okay. Simply why to leave even float, right? So these are the basics which you should never ignore. Okay. And always remember. So did you see how they are getting printed? No L or F. Only during the declaration you see them, right? Print data types where. Okay, we can do execution in 2 ways. Correct? So what is this output? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1.2245, capital A, 3344, false, apple is red in color. What is this? Do you understand anything from the output?
Values
we
which we have
improve?
assigned.
Can we improve our output? Can we improve our output?
Yes, ma'am.
How?
Yeah, we can give in double quotes and write the whatever context we want to write.
What can we write? So when double quotes is there, okay, double quotes, comma, variable. Okay. No. We are not using it inside, no, plus. Okay. We'll see that comma thing when we do addition. Fine. Okay. So what should we write about integer? Integer value of
Yeah. Yes.
plus A. Okay. So this is the assignment for you. Can you please write down, everyone? Right. Write the Java program. Okay. To print the values of primitive data type variables. Understood? So like that, you please improve all the output. So let me execute this one and see. So did you see this? The integer value of A is 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, everything. Okay. What you have to do? You have to take a snap of this much and then post it in the group. Got it? You can give your own variable names. Why should you copy what it is written on the screen? Correct? Someone say yes, please. Thanks.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So now let's see. Now we know how to declare variables, right? Shall we do a simple program of addition? Okay, before addition, let's see what are operators. We didn't see what are operators, right? So let me share my screen again. Sharing. Okay, we're done with data types and how to print the same, right? So now let's see what are Java operators. So why do we use operators?
Operators are predefined symbols.
Pardon?
So it is a predefined symbol. It is to perform some specific
Yes.
task.
Yes, yes. To specify some tasks, like example, when you want to compare, when you want to do some mathematical operations, okay? Compare means greater than, less than, are the both equal things? Are the both variables having the same value? Kind of. Okay. For example, if manam a equal to 10, if I say a equal to 10, what is that? B equal to 44. Okay. So we call this A, B, and C as
Variables.
exactly variables, and then A. Okay. A plus B is
A less
equal
than
to,
B.
so what is it? Pardon? Voice కొంచెం loud గా
Nothing.
చెప్పండి. Yeah.
Okay.
So in case here, అంటే మీరు చెప్పింది వినపడలేదండి నాకు. Okay. A,
Right.
B. So A and B are called variables. Okay. So here A and B are called, in this case,
Inputs.
operands. Okay. Names, even if you don't know, that's fine. No problem. Okay. But just for your information. Equal to and plus. These are called as operators. Okay. So operators does some action with the operands and give us some output or result. So there are many types of operators. Internally, types of operators are there. Any clues, if anyone knows?
Arithmetic operators.
Arithmetic operational relational operator.
Logical operators.
Okay, how many
Relationship
arithmetic
operators.
operators are there? How many arithmetic
Addition,
operators?
subtraction, multiplication, division, modifier.
5, madam.
Exactly. What is this percentile? Any guess?
Divided by.
What is this slash?
Multiplication.
What is star?
Star means multiplication, slash means
Multiplication.
division, percentage is modifier, modify. Something modifier.
Module. It gives the
Module.
reminder. It gives the reminder. For example, 8 divided by 2. Okay. If it is divided by 2, slash we'll use. What is the reminder and what is the quotient? If you use divided by, answer is 4. If you use this thing, answer is 0. Remainder is 0. For example, 9 by 2. What is the remainder? 9 by 2? 1. Okay. And similarly, we have relational operators. What is it? Relational.
Relational operators.
What is they depict the relation? Okay. Relational operators. Like, is it greater than? Is it less than? What is greater than or equal to? Less than or equal to?
Unequal.
Not equal to? Double equal to. Little confusing, no? If they are nearby. Understood? So relational operators, which will help you know the relation between two operands. Fine. Now we have logical operators.
And are not.
Or and not. This we'll see. We don't use, but we do use, at least not in case of strings and all. Now, coming to next one is assignment operators. What is it, Andy? Assignment operators. We have equal to, we have to plus equal to. This will be very interesting actually. Star equal to, slash equal to. These are like shortcuts. Okay. And then
Minus is equal to.
minus. I'm not sure. I'll get back. Okay. It is my minus should be there actually. Plus is there. Okay. And then increment. We
Plus,
use
plus,
it in
minus, minus.
decision making. Yeah. There are two types of increments and decrements.
Increments.
Okay. Post increment and pre-increment and post decrement and pre-decrement. Even if you don't know what they are, no need to worry at all. Okay. So we'll learn one by one in each class. Let's see about arithmetic operators in a simple program. Fine. You're seeing my notepad right now, if I'm not wrong. Correct? Okay, I'm sharing my Eclipse again. Okay, how do we create a program? Right click, new, class. What shall we give?
Just give the name of the name.
Can I give
of the
space?
class.
Can I give space to the class name?
No.
It is already scolding me, if you can see. It is not valid. So what should we give? We can give without space or underscore. It is allowed. Okay. Then I want public static void main. I don't want to type it. Fine. So here, let's see. I don't want this to do auto sub. I want to write about my program, what it is about. What is it? Arithmetic operators. Say, let's take two variables, Chapandi.
Int A comma B comma
So
C.
it is already scolding me when I gave int as capitals, right? Int. Yes. How much?
Equal to 10.
Quick. Time is going.
B is equal to 20.
In B equal to?
Ma'am, no need to place it as
Okay.
another line. Take it as a
Okay.
comma.
Very good. So now we'll see the multiple comments. How do you give multiple comments? Slash, star, and
That's
slash
seven.
star. So is it Avinash who said no need of two lines? Who said? Okay, so
Avinash.
we can give in the same line all the variables A equal B and C. So or by C, we'll write some. Okay. So tell me the values now. Then
10.
someone said 20, right?
20,
Okay.
20.
Right. So now system.out.println start. Okay. What shall we print now? What shall we do? What are the operations?
Sum of the two numbers. Sum of
A
two
plus
numbers.
B. Okay. This will give us some.
Arithmetic means A minus
1, 2, 3, 4. Right. So B. Then
A minus B, subtraction.
you want A minus B? A negative
Yes.
number? You can try that.
No problem.
Okay. And then A.
A into B.
We'll do one thing. We'll change the value. We give A as big number. Okay. So that there will be not much confusion. You can try whatever. Okay. And then A divided by B. Then A percentile B. So let's also comment. But as we have seen in the before program, what is this quotient? Please write your own program. 1 second. Something is there for indentation. Okay. Right. So let's execute this. Run as. So the output is so not so interesting. Right. So another assignment. You have to execute output తో సహా మీరు ప్రింట్ స్నాప్ తీసి పంపించాలండి గ్రూప్ లో ఓకే జావా ప్రోగ్రామ్ arithmetic operators. Okay. Clear till this part?
Yeah, ma'am.
I just lost my part. So 2 programs I have given you. Yeah, that's what I lost my thought. I'm sharing my screen once. So those who did not install Eclipse it. Okay. Are you able to see my screen now? Please say yes. Okay. Online Java compiler. Okay. So program it is there here. So whatever program is there, you can just type here. And then run. If at all your setup is not yet ready in your computers, in the meanwhile, initially for few classes, you can try this console. Clear? If you want, I can send this link also.
Yeah, send me
Okay.
that link, ma'am.
Yeah. I'll send it after the class. Okay. So how much more time is left for the class today? So as I told you, please write something here, add the string, and then please so that output is more readable and understandable. You got it? Now coming to the relational operators. Okay. Relational operators. Will you do it as again homework? Will you take it as assignment?
Okay, ma'am.
relational OPR. I want public static void main. Okay. So here, what happens is, are you able to see the letters properly? Properly, you're able to read visible here on in Eclipse screen, or you want me to open the notepad?
It's clearly visible, ma'am.
Visible, right? So here, let's discuss. Say, for example, a equal to 10, right? This program is an assignment for you guys. You have to do it your own, but I'll explain you. I'll not just give the assignment. Okay. And b is equal to some 33. Fine. Now, what are the relational operators that we have? Relational operators. What do we have?
Greater than, less than,
Okay.
greater
So
than
the-
or equal to.
Exactly. These are the relational operators, right? So what do you expect them? What will be the output when we use this relational operators? Okay. When I say A is less than B. Okay. When I give A less than B in system.out.println, what is the answer expected output? Is A less than B or not? Speak here. True.
This is
Right.
true.
Similarly, A greater than B.
It's a false.
It's a false. Then A less than or equal to B.
False.
Why? Because
Equal to.
see, this is not and. Okay. Is A less than
Okay.
or
True.
equal to? See, if in the case of A equal to 10 and B equal to 10 also, this is true. Or in the case of A 10 and B 33 also, it is true. Any confusion? Please ask me. Okay. A greater than or equal to B. Is A, this is no way true, right? Is A greater than B or A equal to B? No, kada? Okay. Is A not equal to B? What will be the answer?
False.
Yeah. What is it? False. And then A equal to B. What will be the answer? Is A equal to
Ma'am,
B?
A not equal to B is a true, ma'am.
Yes.
Sorry for.
Okay. So, is A equal to B? 10 and 33. False. Okay. Please write a program. Print the output. This assignment I'll give. Okay. Okay. Output means I don't want true, false and all. Okay. Hope you understand. Now for this program, not to give an error for time being. So what are the next operators, Andy? Tell me. What next? Logical operators is. Till this part, is anyone having any doubts? Please ask me. Please ask if you have any doubts till this part. You can write both relational and mathematic operators in the same program. No need of another program to write it. Okay. So what are logical operators, Andy? As we have discussed. What are logical operators? Okay. Yeah. So let's have the values A, and then B, A ampersand. Let me use tab so that spacing. Okay. Even if it is a small doubt, please don't hesitate to ask. Please ask me. This will be very easy. Okay. So A. So this is logical operators, means this is used to decide a value between something, not actual values like data 10, 20 integers, not like that, but the true or false values. Okay. A equal to true and B equal to true. Similarly, true, false. We may not use them so frequently in our programs, but it is good to know the usage. Okay. In engineering or in a childhood, I mean, I have seen in my something like higher education, like 8th or 9th or 10th, I don't remember. I have seen this. And even engineering, some subject was there in EC.
In mathematics, there is a this concept name.
Correct. Yeah. So true for A and B, it is true only when both of them are true. Rest all the cases, it is false.
False.
Okay. And similarly, for the next one, it is false only in one case. Okay. What is that?
False. False.
Only in the case of false, false, it is false. Rest of the cases, it is true. And then similarly, this one you should be knowing, right? Okay. If A is true, then not A is false.
False.
Similarly, hope you know all this, right?
Yeah.
False and then true, like that. Someone texted, but I cannot see. Similarly, B. Bindu మీరు చెప్పండి, not B ఏంటండి? First
False.
one. Yeah, false. Okay, Jagadish, what is this value of not B? False. Okay, and this.
No, it's true.
One second.
Not B.
True. And then true.
Yeah,
Clear, right?
previous one. No,
Yeah.
ma'am.
The second one will be true, right?
Second, third, both are wrong.
Which
Second
one? Which?
true, third false.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, this one is true.
Thank you.
And
Vasant.
next one is
false.
false.
Okay. So everyone else thought that whatever I wrote is correct? Okay, fine. So how do we give the output? Like this only, right? We'll be printing, right?
Yes.
Okay. You know how to represent Boolean, right? How do you write it? Boolean A equal to true. Boolean B is equal to true or false, whatever you want to give. Okay. Correct. You can take only two values and write your program. I don't want to give you much trouble. Okay, say for example, true, comma, B is equal to false. And then write system.out.println statements. Clear? No confusion, right?
Yes, clear.
Anyone else other than Bindu and Avinash? Are you confused? This is an assignment again. Relational operators and logical operators, arithmetic operators still. If you did not understand, please ask me. I'll repeat again.
I can't understand.
Very good, madam. What did you not understand, Bindu? That's the spirit. You have to ask like that. Yeah,
How
Bindu.
to write?
How to
How
write?
to write true or false? And
So we have learned that we can store true or false in which kind of data type? Boolean. Correct? So A is equal to true and B is equal to true. Then how will you write the, I mean, how will you get the output? You understood?
output is false.
A,
And B.
B.
A and B.
Similarly, or.
R.
And then?
Not.
Not you can give individually for A and B. Okay. Is anything else there? Not. Fine. Understood?
Okay.
Similarly, you can also do like int y always A. P is equal to 33. Q is equal to 44. And simply declare G. Okay. Semicolon. Every statement has to end with semicolon. Can you write P is equal to G is equal to P and try system.out.println. Okay. Print the value of G. Okay, the class is going to end.